Island, a land of rolling green hills, sparkling lakes, and rugged coastlines. Known as the Emerald Isle, its beauty captivates the soul. But beneath this tranquil surface lies a secret, a fiery past hidden for millennia. This is the story of Ireland's volcanoes, a tale etched in stone and whispered by the wind. Millions of years ago, forces far beneath the Earth's crust unleashed their power, shaping the very foundation of this island nation. Join us on a journey back in time as we uncover the fiery secrets that lie beneath Ireland's emerald cloak. Imagine a time before Ireland as we know it, when molten rock surged and churned beneath the Earth's surface. Volcanoes erupted with tremendous force, spewing lava flows that stretched for miles. Ash filled the sky, blotting out the sun and blanketing the land in a thick layer of volcanic debris. As tectonic plates collided and shifted, they created fissures in the Earth's crust, allowing molten rock to escape from deep within. The Giant's Causeway, with its mesmerizing hexagonal columns of basalt, stands as a testament to the power of ancient volcanic activity. These columns, formed by the slow cooling of lava, are a natural wonder that draws visitors from around the globe. Venture further into Ireland's interior and you'll encounter more remnants of its volcanic past. The rugged cliffs of Moher, rising dramatically from the Atlantic Ocean, were once part of a massive lava plateau. The fertile soils that blanket much of the island owe their richness to the nutrient-rich volcanic ash deposited over millennia. This volcanic legacy is woven into the fabric of Ireland's history, providing the foundation for agriculture and shaping the development of its civilization. We'll uncover the stories these eruptions tell, revealing the forces that have shaped this Emerald Isle over millions of years. To understand Ireland's volcanoes, we must journey back millions of years to a time when the Earth's continents were vastly different. Imagine a world where Europe and North America were joined, their edges grinding against each other with unimaginable force. As the pressure built, molten rock, known as magma, began to rise from the depths. It surged upwards through cracks and fissures, eventually erupting onto the Earth's surface in a fiery spectacle. These eruptions, occurring over millions of years, spewed out lava flows that spread across vast areas, slowly building up the landmass we now know as Ireland. These early volcanoes were not the towering, cone-shaped mountains we often picture. Instead, they were vast fissures in the Earth's crust, spewing out lava that flowed across the landscape like molten rivers. To Section 2, the Giant's Causeway, a volcanic masterpiece. Perhaps the most striking example of Ireland's volcanic past is the Giant's Causeway, a UNESCO World Heritage Site located on the north coast of Northern Ireland. This remarkable formation, with its iconic hexagonal columns of basalt, is a testament to the incredible forces that shaped this land. The Giant's Causeway was formed around 60 million years ago during a period of intense volcanic activity. As molten lava flowed across the landscape, it began to cool and contract. The cooling process caused the lava to crack and shrink, creating a network of polygonal columns. Local legend attributes the causeway to the giant Finn McCool, who is said to have built it as a pathway to Scotland to confront a rival giant. Section 3. Mountains of Fire, Lakes of Legend. The Mourne Mountains, a granite mountain range in County Down, Northern Ireland, were formed by volcanic activity around 56 million years ago. Ireland's volcanic legacy extends beyond its mountains and coastlines. Many of the island's lakes, including Loch Ness, the largest lake in the British Isles, occupy depressions created by volcanic activity. One such legend tells of the children of Lear, who were turned into swans by their jealous stepmother and forced to wander the lakes and rivers of Ireland for 900 years. These tales, passed down through generations, connect the Irish people to their land and its ancient history, weaving together mythology and geology in a rich tapestry. By studying their composition, age, and distribution, geologists can piece together the history of volcanic activity on the island, revealing the forces that shaped its landscapes over millions of years. Section 4. Reading the rocks, unraveling Ireland's volcanic past. Geologists employ a variety of techniques to study Ireland's volcanic history. One such method is radiometric dating, which utilizes the decay of radioactive isotopes within rocks to determine their age. By analyzing the ratios of these isotopes, scientists can pinpoint the age of volcanic eruptions with remarkable accuracy. Another important tool is paleomagnetism, which examines the magnetic properties of rocks to determine their orientation at the time of formation. By combining these techniques with detailed field observations, geologists can reconstruct the sequence of events that led to the formation of Ireland's volcanic landscapes. These scientific endeavours not only enhance our understanding of Ireland's geological history, but also provide valuable information about the Earth's dynamic processes. Step back in time to an Ireland teeming with mythical creatures and ruled by ancient forces. Picture towering volcanoes spewing molten lava, their fiery glow illuminating the night sky. One of the most significant periods of volcanic activity occurred during the Devonian period, around 400 million years ago. Imagine a time before dinosaurs, when giant insects ruled the skies and Ireland was submerged beneath a vast ocean. Deep beneath the waves, volcanoes erupted, their lava flows building up over time to form the foundations of the island we know today. Legends and folklore often intertwine with geological history. In Irish mythology, the giant Finn McCool is said to have scooped up a handful of earth and hurled it at a Scottish giant, creating the Isle of Man and leaving behind a massive crater that became Loch Ness. While Ireland may not sit on the infamous Ring of Fire, a zone of intense volcanic activity encircling the Pacific Ocean, its volcanic history is closely linked to the movement of tectonic plates. Millions of years ago, the landmass that would become Ireland was located much closer to the equator, near a zone of active plate boundaries. As these plates collided and shifted, they generated immense pressure within the Earth's crust, causing magma to rise and erupt. Over time, this process created a chain of volcanoes that stretched across what is now Ireland, leaving behind a legacy of volcanic rock formations. Ireland's volcanic history is a testament to the immense power of these geological forces. From the distinctive black basalt columns of the Giant's Causeway to the rugged granite peaks of the Mourne Mountains, these formations tell a story of fire, fury, and the relentless forces that shaped this land. Even today, long after the last volcanoes fell silent, their presence can be felt across the Irish landscape. The rolling hills, dramatic cliffs and fertile valleys all owe their existence in part to Ireland's fiery past. Take a walk along the coast and you might stumble upon ancient lava flows, now frozen in time. Venture inland and you'll find evidence of volcanic activity in the very soil beneath your feet. The rich, fertile land that has sustained generations of Irish farmers is a direct result of volcanic ash deposits which enrich the soil with essential nutrients. From fire to fertility, the gift of volcanic soil. While volcanic eruptions are often associated with destruction, they also play a crucial role in creating fertile land. The ash and lava spewed out during these events contain valuable minerals and nutrients that enrich the soil, making it ideal for agriculture. In Ireland, the legacy of volcanic activity is evident in the lush green fields and pastures that blanket the island. The next time you savor the taste of Irish potatoes, raise a glass to the ancient volcanoes that helped shape this land. Volcanoes in the lab unlocking Earth's secrets. Understanding Ireland's volcanic past requires more than just observing the landscape. It involves rigorous scientific investigation, analyzing the very rocks and minerals that bear witness to these ancient events. In their laboratories, they analyze rock samples gathered from across Ireland, examining their chemical composition and mineral content. Radiometric dating, a technique that measures the decay of radioactive isotopes within rocks, allows scientists to determine the age of volcanic eruptions with remarkable precision. These laboratory analyses, combined with field observations and geophysical data, provide a comprehensive understanding of Ireland's volcanic history. Seismic whispers. Listening to the Earth's heartbeat. The Earth is a dynamic, ever-changing planet. Beneath its seemingly solid surface, molten rock flows, tectonic plates collide, and volcanoes rumble with pent-up energy. To understand these processes, scientists listen intently to the Earth's heartbeat, its seismic waves. Seismometers, highly sensitive instruments deployed across Ireland and around the world, detect even the faintest tremors within the Earth. By analyzing the speed and direction of these waves, scientists can pinpoint the location and depth of earthquakes and volcanic tremors. In the case of volcanoes, seismic monitoring provides crucial insights into the movement of magma beneath the surface. Section 3. Predicting the unpredictable. The science of volcanic forecasting. Volcanic eruptions, while awe-inspiring displays of nature's power, can also pose significant threats to human populations and infrastructure. Predicting these events is a complex and challenging task, but one that scientists are constantly striving to improve. In addition to seismic monitoring, scientists also track ground deformation, gas emissions, and thermal changes around volcanoes. Ground deformation, often measured using GPS and satellite imagery, can indicate the buildup of magma beneath the surface, causing the ground to bulge or subside. By combining these monitoring techniques with geological mapping, historical eruption records, and computer modeling, scientists can issue volcanic hazard assessments and, in some cases, provide early warnings of impending eruptions. Section 4. Sleeping giants, silent threat. While Ireland has not experienced volcanic activity for millions of years, the question remains, could these slumbering giants awaken in the future? The answer, while uncertain, is not entirely outside the realm of possibility. The geological forces that shaped Ireland's volcanic past are still active today, albeit far from the island's shores. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge, a massive underwater mountain range where tectonic plates are slowly spreading apart, is a constant reminder of the Earth's dynamic nature. While there is no immediate threat of volcanic activity in Ireland, understanding the Earth's dynamic processes and monitoring for any signs of change is crucial for ensuring public safety and mitigating potential risks. The legacy of Ireland's volcanic past serves as a reminder of the immense power that lies beneath our feet and the importance of respecting the forces that have shaped our planet over millions of years. Section 1. A sleeping giant's murmurs, signs of volcanic potential. Although Ireland's volcanic heart sleeps soundly, the Earth is a restless sleeper. Always shifting, always changing. Could there be subtle hints, whispers of activity beneath our feet? Scientists, ever vigilant, keep a watchful eye. While Ireland currently lacks active volcanoes, the forces that shaped its fiery past haven't vanished entirely. The island sits on the Eurasian tectonic plate, relatively far from active plate boundaries. However, the echoes of ancient tectonic movements still resonate. Scientists point to areas like Iceland and the Canary Islands, volcanically active regions influenced by similar geological processes that once shaped Ireland. These regions serve as a reminder that Earth's fiery breath can resurface even after millions of years of dormancy. While the likelihood of a volcanic eruption in Ireland remains extremely low, understanding the Earth's dynamic nature encourages preparedness. By studying active volcanic zones and employing sophisticated monitoring techniques, scientists remain alert to any subtle shifts in Earth's delicate balance. Let's indulge in a hypothetical scenario. Imagine for a moment a volcano awakening beneath Ireland's emerald embrace. While unlikely, such an event would undoubtedly have far-reaching consequences. The most immediate impact would be the eruption itself, with potential for lava flows, ash clouds, and the release of volcanic gases. Depending on the scale and location, such an event could disrupt air travel, affect infrastructure, and pose risks to human health. However, unlike the cataclysmic eruptions that shaped Ireland millions of years ago, modern eruptions are often less intense and more manageable. Advancements in volcanic monitoring and hazard assessment provide valuable time for preparedness and evacuation, mitigating potential risks. Furthermore, an eruption in Ireland could have some unexpected benefits. Volcanic ash, while disruptive in the short term, is rich in nutrients that could enrich the soil for agriculture. The heat generated by volcanic activity could potentially be harnessed for geothermal energy, a sustainable and renewable resource. While the likelihood of a volcanic eruption in Ireland remains low, responsible preparedness is essential. Just as nations prepare for earthquakes, floods, and other natural disasters, having a plan in place for a volcanic event ensures a swift and effective response. Ireland, in collaboration with international partners and scientific organizations, has developed comprehensive emergency response plans for a range of natural disasters, including volcanic events. These plans outline communication protocols, evacuation procedures, and resource allocation strategies. Public awareness and education are paramount. Informing citizens about volcanic hazards, early warning signs, and safety measures empowers communities to respond effectively in the unlikely event of an eruption. Ireland's existing infrastructure, while not specifically designed for volcanic events, could be adapted to mitigate potential impacts. Reinforcing critical infrastructure, establishing safe zones, and ensuring access to clean water and air filtration systems are crucial aspects of preparedness. Ireland's volcanic history serves as a powerful reminder of the immense forces that shape our planet. Living in the shadow of these sleeping giants requires respect for nature's power. By understanding volcanoes and preparing for the unexpected, we can ensure safety. Ireland's volcanoes are a testament to the Earth's ability to heal and create beauty. By learning from the past and respecting nature, we can coexist in harmony. Ireland, a tapestry woven in fire and time. As we've journeyed across Ireland, from the rugged coastline to the rolling hills, we've uncovered a hidden world, a fiery past lying dormant beneath the emerald embrace. The story of Ireland's volcanoes is not merely a geological curiosity, but a testament to the immense forces that have shaped our planet over millennia. Imagine those early eruptions, fiery rivers of molten rock carving their way across the land, their glow illuminating the night sky. These were not isolated events, but part of a grand narrative, a time when continents drifted, collided, and fractured, reshaping the Earth's very surface. Those eruptions, though long silent, have left their indelible mark. The giant's Causeway, with its mesmerizing hexagonal columns, stands as a stark reminder of the power of molten Earth to create beauty from chaos. The cliffs of Moher, rising dramatically from the Atlantic, whisper tales of ancient lava flows now sculpted by time and tide into breathtaking vistas. Ireland's volcanic history serves as a powerful reminder that our planet is not static, not a finished product, but a dynamic, ever-evolving system. Beneath our feet, forces beyond our control continue to shape the world around us. Tectonic plates, those massive fragments of Earth's crust, continue their slow, relentless dance, their interactions creating mountains, volcanoes, and earthquakes. The Earth's molten heart, far from dormant, pulses with energy, occasionally reminding us of its presence through volcanic eruptions and tremors. Understanding these forces is not merely an academic pursuit, but a matter of respect for the power of nature. By studying the Earth's processes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. Just as a physician studies the human body to diagnose and treat illnesses, so too must we, as inhabitants of this planet, strive to understand its workings, its rhythms, and its potential hazards. The legacy of Ireland's volcanoes extends far beyond its geological formations. It's woven into the very fabric of the land, its soil, and its people. The rich fertile fields owe their bounty to nutrient-rich volcanic ash. Folklore and mythology intertwine with geological features. Stories connect the Irish people to their land and its ancient history. Our exploration of Ireland's volcanoes has been a journey of discovery. a testament to the power of curiosity and scientific inquiry. Let us carry a renewed sense of wonder about our world, encourage the next generation to explore and marvel. The Earth holds countless secrets waiting to be uncovered. It's a planet of immense beauty and delicate balance. Let us strive to understand, respect, and protect it, for in every grain of sand there is the story of the Earth, and within that story we find ourselves linked to the fiery heart of our planet.